Abbas congratulates Erdogan over local polls win. Israel army detains 11 Palestinians in occupied West Bank. For second month, Palestine public salaries cut by half. UN peace envoy arrives in Gaza amid talk of ceasefire. Israel to send 250,000 settlers to occupied Golan. Palestinians slam Brazil for opening Jerusalem trade office. Israel inaugurates embassy in Rwanda. Figures linked to Algerian president banned from travel. Sudan's Bashir vows reform as protest enter fourth month. Donation pour in for New Zealand terror victims. Jailed Bangladesh opposition leader shifted to hospital. Rainstorm lightning kills 10 in Bangladesh.